What's up, Namblers? It's your boy Namigo here, and in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Vietnamese BANH XEO savory crepes into handheld tacos. Now this is an original recipe that took years for me to develop on and off, and I'm really proud to share with you guys in this video. Now BANH XEO literally translates to sizzling cake, and according to SaigonNear.com, this dish originated in central Vietnam and gets bigger the further south you travel. This crispy crepe made with rice flour is flavored with coconut milk, turmeric, and often stuffed with prawns and pork. Served with fresh herbs, it's great as a lettuce wrap dish, or my favorite way to enjoy it is to roll it up like a spring roll. Be sure to check out my previous videos on how to make the Nook Chum fish sauce for dipping, as well as the pickled carrots and daikon side dish. The name's Eatery mission statement is to put fantastic Vietnamese food on the map, even if they're served by other restaurants and not by us, because Namblers don't play zero-sum games. All right, without further ado, let's namble.
First, let's do a little R&D into an OG BANH XEO recipe. It starts off with sauteed onions, pork belly, and shrimp. And the crepe batter is added and pan fried until crispy. Bean sprouts are added near the end, and then the crepe is folded in half. Nice. BANH XEOs are traditionally eaten as a lettuce wrap with fish sauce for dipping. Turmeric and coconut flavor really stands out from the batter and pairs well with Vietnamese herbs such as cilantro and perilla. A more convenient and less messy way of enjoying BANH XEOs are to roll them up in a spring roll like so. For our tacos, we're going to chop up our onions, pork, and shrimp into bite-sized pieces. We're going to marinate our meat in a little bit of pepper and fish sauce. Then, we're going to make our batter by mixing in rice flour, cornstarch, sugar, salt, turmeric, and a few drops of egg yellow for color. Add in water and coconut milk and thoroughly mix well. Now let's set our batter aside as we chop up our greens. We'll be using cilantro, perilla, and iceberg lettuce for our lettuce topping. We'll also chop some green onions and set those aside for our meat mixture. For the shells, we'll be making mini crepes like so. Want to give these a nice swirl and wait for their edges to curl as they release from the pan. You should hear a sizzle when the batter hits the pan. Then we'll be using a taco rack to deep fry our crepes into hard taco shells. This will take about 4 minutes at 375. Finally, let's sear that meat. I like using a one-sided searing method for smaller cuts like these. Once nearly cooked through, we'll add some bean sprouts and scallions to finish them off. Once again, here's my one-sided searing method at work. I like to use a thin layer of meat. Cook at medium heat until the bottom starts brown. Then it's time to assemble. Fill the shells with a generous scoop of meat. Layer on some greens. And top them off with our pickled carrots. Look at those beauties. Sauce it up and it's crunch time.
Let's give this Bánh XEO taco, ladies and gentlemen. Let's listen to the crunch. Mmm. Mmm. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I got a lot more recipes to share with you guys. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Namigo out.